Today I'm doing a video on the Fed and how to prepare for the announcement today. So we're just trimming out of shares. If you go to our complete view screen, you'll see our activity for the day. And look, we sold a little bit of TQQ, trimmed that, trimmed some Teckle, trimmed some Fangu, and that took about $500 out of those names, which raised $500 in equity since they're 100% maintenance. And then we got assigned on a Labu put, but the prices are so low, we're going to keep that assignment. And that freed up room for us to sell another put then on ARC F. And we received about $500 for that. So we received $500 for the ARC F put, which I'll show you now. We received $500 for trimming out of our positions. That raised about $1,000. And then we took an extra 1,000 off of that and we added to Riv. So we took the proceeds of trimming those triple longs and the premiums we received from the puts, and we bought a little bit more Riv. Riv is more bonds. I told you we're getting away from bonds and things that have leverage or debt or investments in things that could be questionable when held to maturity if they have to raise money before something is held to maturity. But it does have equity exposure, Riv. It has bonds, but it also has some equity exposure. And with a 17% yield right here, it's quoting on E-Trade. I had to do it. So that increased our income. But the most important thing we're doing here is right-sizing our risk before the Fed speaks. Our debt's at 244, but we added a put, these SPY puts here. Something small, just $200, to protect us. And all of our triple longs, we're hedged with our triple shorts, Fang D, Sox S, the banks yesterday, we bought banks, but we bought 500 of a short today. So if you have 2,000 in a bank short and it drops 50%, you lose 1,000. But if you have if you have 2,000 in a bank long, it drops 50%, you lose 1,000. But the $500 put here will make 500, so you end up losing only 500 total. So that's the idea behind all of these puts, these hedges. Is that the longs will make money and continue to compound higher as they move higher, but then the puts, the hedges will dwindle to zero. So if you make a double on FAS and you have 2,000 and it doubles to 4, but you lose 500 on the triple short, well, you still net $1,500, and that's still a good trade. So this is what we did. We right-sized our portfolio. We did some trimming. We added some options just before the Fed speaks today. Everything's going to remain flat and in this range until the Fed speaks. Our estimated income did grow once again to it's really 98.7, as you know, because we have a cornerstone short. And then our performance and value, it increased today once again. So our brokerage were up 9.72, NASDAQ up 12.8, and S&P up 3.3. I'm trying this video sideways today to see if the thumbnails come out better so that when you guys see my videos on your wall, it doesn't look so insane. So I'm trying this out today. If it doesn't work, I don't know what else to do. But if you have any ideas for what to do with the Fed today, please comment in the section below. Again, I just took a little bit of risk off today, but I'm keeping longs positioned. I just trimmed. I added a couple of shorts in. I have some hedges in. They won't lose too much if we go up, but if we go down, they should end up saving my account from a severe drawdown. So anyway, we'll see what happens with the Fed today. Hope you liked the video. Talk to you soon. Thanks.